very point. But Dr. Shamsi, I want your take on this recent situation that has unfolded with Rahul Gandhi and other MPs being arrested, and we have seen this unity in Indian opposition. Nearly 300 opposition MPs joined the protest against alleged electoral malpractice, something that is very rare in India and Indian political, rather recent political history. Does this mark, in your opinion, an emergence of a genuinely united opposition?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you, Mayim. Indian domestic politics has always been a kind of united fronts. They have been putting up their candidates against the popular governments even during the era of Congress. If you remember, Chandrasekhar was the Prime Minister one time, and many more from the south. So this is not something new. Rahul Gandhi has tried it to put up a show alongside United Front, United Opposition Front. Modi himself is leading a coalition government at this time. So this is not something new. What is new at this time is the toughness of Rahul Gandhi, that he is slowly and gradually maturing as a tough political opponent, which he was not. And that is why Modi was perhaps lucky over the last 3 terms that he did not actually have a proper opposition leader. Rahul was too young when Modi came in for the first time in power. And whatever India rising and shining was built by Manmohan Singh under in the 90s under Narasimha Rao, and in the 21st century all by himself alongside Sonia Gandhi, that has been totally neutralized by Modi's hardline Hindutva philosophy. Modi has turned world's largest secularistic democracy, that is India, into our largest Hindu state. This is the maximum damage a leader can do to its country, because India's identity was its secularization, which he has badly tarnished.
And he has, of course, targeted the very essence of Indian politics. And I'll be talking about the saffronization of India later in the program. But since you alluded to a very important point about how mature of a leader Rahul Gandhi has emerged as of now, and when we look at the recent statement of Rahul Gandhi's sharp attack on Modi's handling of Operation Sindoor and calling it as an immediate surrender in 30 minutes. Do you think this is unusually direct, and how do you think this is going to be resonating with military as well as the population of India, the common citizens of India?
Yeah, that's what I'm said. Ke Rahul is now emerging as a leader. He was a kid, he was a Gandhi kid, so he took time. And within the Gandhi family, many a times they debated whether we should put up Priyanka or not.
Yes.
But then it was decided, no, let Rahul take time. And Rahul unfortunately did not have a very good support from tier 2 Congress leaders, which at one time Sonia Gandhi had, like Narasimha Rao Sahab and Manmohan Singh.
It took them a lot of time to accept him as a leader.
Absolutely. And then, but now, this is his 3rd time against Modi, that he is now maturing and blossoming. And look at his parliamentary speeches. I think they are very interesting, they are very powerful. He not only attacks the Operation Sindoor, but he also regularly attacks on the corruption scandals of Modi, that Modi undertakes with the help of Ambanis and Tatas and all those. So I see him as an alternate to Modi, and not in too distant future. I am seeing him, I think, getting into the seat within maybe 2 to 3 years.